Ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys doing today? It is greatness, and just in case you did not know, I am destined for greatness. And so today, ladies and gentlemen, alright ladies and gentlemen, so I'm back. I had a little bit of a technical difficulties right there. So today's video is going to be showing you guys how to back test in the foreign exchange market or any type of market, how to back test. And what back testing is going to do is exactly what it says. You're back testing whatever strategy or whatever you are interested or whatever you're curious to know about the market, you are back testing. So first and foremost, you treat back testing as a regular trade. So for me personally, I go to the 4 hour and I only trade AMAs, my trend line, my horizontal line, and Fibonacci. That is all I trade. I'll break it down for you guys. So right now, I don't want to trade BBP. Let's see. We can do, and as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I've caught all of that. You know what I'm saying? You can extend this out, and I've caught all of that. This is on the 4 hour chart, of course, but so let's. I want to find a nice example to show you guys. Perfect. I'll just use the example that I've had before. Since it's right here, I won't go too far. So this is back testing. You're going to find a point in the market where you want to back test. So what I like to do is go on the 4 hour, use the box tool, highlight an area, and then as you go down the different time frames, it keeps that same box highlighted so you can see price action. You know what I'm saying? So on the 4 hour, boom, find an area. I'm going to do this area just so in my mind I have an idea of what the market looks on an uptrend, because like I said, this is on the 4 hour candle. So you have to consider what this looks like on the different time frames. And if you have never seen something like this, then this would be something nice for you to see. So this is all we're going to be focused on right now on the 4 hour. You seen earlier, but when I go to the 2 hour, you see how it's more price action going on. Okay. It's still not really an entry. I mean, the only entry would be right here, but you would have already missed out. I'm going to also show you guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. I had a phone call, but as I was saying before, I'm going to show you guys how you can get a perfect sniper entry, because just looking at this right here from the strategy that I use, the only time I would have gotten in is here, because I'm going to teach you guys something. And if you guys are enjoying the content or what I'm going to teach you guys, please leave me a like, comment, or subscribe, because I am here to help you change your life. And I feel like the information I'm going to give you, a lot of you guys, is something that can take you far. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and please subscribe. So ladies and gentlemen, the only time, if you see that this is an uptrend or you see that it's overall an uptrend, or like I said, I'm just using this. So on the 2 hour, even on the 2 hour, if you see, let's just see you seen this, we'll do this. Let's just say you seen this and you did not see this right here. You're going to go on the 15-minute, because you can't enter here. You can't enter on a buy. If you are trying to buy something and you are entering on a buy, nothing has happened, or what I should say, no transaction, no service, you know what I'm saying, no exchange has happened. You're buying yourself into buyers. You know what I'm saying? How could you profit from buying? Nobody sold you anything. What are you buying if nobody sold you anything? And that is simply the reason why a lot of traders aren't successful, because they don't understand that simple point. I promise you, this what I'm just telling you right now, you will win so much more trades simply by following that one step. None of this is a good entry. You see that there's an uptrend. You don't even really have to look at the grand screen. If you just see, like I said, this little bit, you can catch this. So we're on the 1 hour. We're going to go down to the 30-minute. You see, now we're looking juicy. Now you see to where you can make a trade happen, which is right here and right here. These would have been your 2 entries. So this is me back testing, by the way. This is how you back test. You go down the time frames and you practice your strategy. My strategy is, like I said, I have the 8, the 21, and the 55 EMA. I use these as my support resistance lines, and just how I look at the market. If price is above the 8, if price is above all of them, I'm looking to buy. When price retests the 8, I'm looking, that is my entry. The 8 is my entry, and the 21 and the 55 are simply my support zones. I know if price gets below, like it did right here, you get out. You know what I'm saying? So even if you got in here and you got out here, yeah, see, you would have lost money there. You know what I'm saying? So you have to pay attention. You have to see that this AMA is starting to drop. The moment this happened, get out your trade right here. So now you have an entry. So now we didn't have an entry on the 2 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minute. You could have entered here and here because somebody's selling you something to buy. We're going to go to the 15-minute chart. Find that area again. Boom. Now would you look at this? Look how much more entries you have. Because I cut it short. If you remember earlier, I cut it short. But this box is all the way here. Because this was that uptrend. This is the full uptrend, and then it went down. But you could have gotten in here, here. You couldn't even have gotten in here. And with GBP, you may think, oh man, I'm not gonna. Come on, man. that's 40 pips. You know, you put your stop loss right here. Boom. And I can show you guys entries. Look at that. That is an 8, and people think it's crazy. Like I said, I use the line, so I would do something like this. Put it right below the 21. The moment it breaks through, boom. So for this entry, I would do something like this. This would have been the best candle to enter on. You could have entered on one before. Another long. Right here. Boom. Ride him all the way up. So this is the, okay. I'm going to break it down for you. So this would have been this entry. You compound on this, and then this entry would have been the best entry is what I'm trying to say. Because this will get you, if you go to the same level, damn near 100 pips right there. Same exact thing. Use your EMAs as protection. Because if it crosses your EMA, then obviously something is wrong. The market is telling you that it's changing. Don't fight the market. Trade with the market. And last but not the least, you could have entered in here and here. Little drawdown. This, if you entered here, this would have been a drawdown to go back up. But you could have went in again. So we're just going to use this one as the best entry. And so you do the math. 3 entries and you have made money on all of them. And Forex is this simple. You know what I'm saying? This is my first video on Forex, so this is going to be kind of quick. This is how you backtest. I'm going to run it down for you guys one more time. On the 4 hour, any pair, you can do indices, you can do anything. Tradingview.com. If you do not know, I'll put the link in the description. You find any area. Like if you want to practice with wicks, because on the 4 hour chart, I'll show you guys something real quick. On the 4 hour chart, look, this is a fat wick. You'll be thinking like it doesn't look like a lot's going on, but when you really break down this wick, you will see that a lot goes on, even on the 4 hour wicks. Would you look at that? Look at this. You just have to know what you're trading for. I would have known that. Boom. The moment that the blue crossed, look at that blue, and look how it kind of just bounces the same way. Like it bounce, retest up. But you have to understand that. You just have to understand the market. You know what I'm saying? And this was on a wick. That was on that same fake out wick. You could have caught. You could have entered here. Into here. That's 113 pips. Doesn't seem like a lot, but you just want a piece of the pie. Understand that you just want a piece of the pie. So ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, thank you for tuning into this video. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, if you did enjoy the content, the knowledge that I instilled to you guys today, please give this video a like. If you didn't, you can give me a dislike and comment below what you did not like. Excuse me. More videos are definitely coming soon. And just in case you guys did not know, I am destined for greatness. I did that wrong. Like I said, this is my first video, so I'm gonna tell you guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And just in case you did not know, I am destined for greatness. Peace.